how to be a homeopathic specialist. You see, when in the beginning you start your practice, and there are a lot of literature in homeopathy. You go and read generals. Again, there are new books, and you are really impressed by the new books, and you want to study more and more and more. And really, many a times it is confusing. Different authors speak different way, and you get more confused than more guidance. In the beginning of my studies also, I used to read a lot of magazines and a lot of books. But my great teacher, Dr. K.C. Mittal, once told me, you stop reading all those things. And he gave me a very good example that in the beginning, when you are a student, don't read so many books. First of all, you have to read a very few books and in details. And what are those books? I'll just tell you what are those books. You see, there are basic books, very basic and very important books that we don't study. For example, simple organon of medicines, simple homeopathic materia medica, Kane's lectures on homeopathic materia medica, chronic diseases. These are the basic books that you need to know. Every homeopath doctor must read this first. People usually go and read the comments, the simple easy thing. They don't want to do the hard work because these books, their English is little difficult, and we just go and read the guides, and we get a second hand knowledge, not the original knowledge. And that is one of the great cause of a failure in our practice. So I was banned to read the books, and I was always asked to read the basic books. And the very basic books are Kane's Lectures on Homeopathic Materia Medica, Organon of Medicine 6th edition, Chronic Diseases by Hahnemann, Chronic Diseases Pseudo and Surosora, and Psychosis by J.H. Allen, and Kane's Materia Medica. So these are the very basic, very important books that you need to read first, go through it again and again. Why? Because you see, if you want a big building, what the example you give me, the foundation must be strong. So if your foundation is very strong, if you read all these books, then you will be able to differentiate between good and bad. What books you really want to go through, what is really Hahnemannian, what is useful to you, that you will be able to do. But if your foundation is not good, and if you go and read different types of books, you will not be able to judge what is true and what is false, and what is really original, what is not original. For that reason, I request you to read these books. I remember one of the world famous doctor, Dr. Surnimal Sarkar, is a famous doctor. And what he used to do is that he says, every night when I go to sleep, I read one aphorism. And every night before I go to sleep, I read one drug, even today. This thing he told me almost 35 years ago when we were studying together. And even till date, he is continuing these things. To read one aphorism daily and to read one drug daily. You see, that makes you the great person. Doing small, simple things as a rituals. Not great many things, simple things. And simple things will give you the great success. You need not have a very big library and all these things. Yeah, you can have it. But first of all, have your foundation strong, and strong foundation will lead to strong building. That is, strong basics will lead you to the strong success. And don't go for reading many books and magazines unless and until you have mastered these basic books and all these things. And I don't think if you master it, you will need any more books. This is one of the good piece of advice from my side. I'll be giving you some more advices that I have been given by my teachers. And hope as I am successful, you will also become successful. Please follow this. Thank you. See you again.